welcome back to the Slime Lab. So today I will be doing a Q&A video plus face reveal. I am so excited about this video, and let's get on to the Q&A. Okay, so the first question is from, so I asked you guys on Instagram, comment some questions down below for my Q&A video. And the first question is, will you be selling at the Slime Bash? Sadly, I will not be selling there. Who inspired you to start your shop? Well, Glitter Slimes did. Who is your favorite Slimer? Glitter Slimes, Parakeet Slimes, like Tibble Slimes, all of those people, I love them. And Joseph Anthony and Karina Garcia. Favorite type of slime is a sugar fluff slime. That's the one that I invented. And there is a video on that. I think I released them a month ago, but yeah, there's a video on them. This next one is from Soft Serve Slimy. What's your favorite my favorite type of scent? My favorite scent is Snickerdoodle from P&J. This one is from Joe Kawai, MSP. What inspired you to make sugar fluff slimes? Nothing really. I was just playing around and I invented it. It was a mistake, but I love it and I keep bringing it back. What part of America are you from, and do you ship to the UK? Yes, I do. I'm from Connecticut. How long have you had your channel? I've had my channel since August 26th, so I think that's almost 8 months. So how many slimes are you bringing to the Slime Bash? This one is from Mango Slimes, and that is, I don't know, maybe like 50. I am going to be trading there, so yeah, say hi to me. The next few questions are from a YouTube video that I asked you guys to ask me questions in. It is my How I Package My Order video. And the first question is from 123456. What inspired you to have your own slime shop? Glitter Slimes, like I said before. What is your favorite slime? Well, my favorite slime that I've had in my shop was Shamrock Shake. That's my best seller and I love it. What inspired you to do YouTube? Karina Garcia inspired me. Favorite slime from your slime shop? Again, Shamrock Shake. Who is your favorite YouTuber? Karina Garcia and Joseph Anthony. Yeah. So, also, are you a boy or a girl? I am obviously a boy, as you can see here, but yeah, guys. Thanks for asking the questions. Oh wait, there's one more from Breaded Slimes. Do you have a dog? I do have a dog. Her name is Poppy. She's so adorable, and maybe I'll show her in a video sometime. So thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe down below and turn on that post notification bell and the like button. If you never want to miss one of my videos again, comment down below #SlimeAnator Squad, and I will be giving shout outs next week because of Slime Bash. I want to celebrate, and I hope you guys will be coming to Slime Bash. I also will be going to Slime Bash too, so I am so excited for that. And yeah, guys, I hope you're excited for all the new videos that I'm going to be doing. I'm going to do challenges, slime challenges, all that stuff. More slime reviews are coming, and I'm so excited, guys. More DIYs are also coming too, and yeah, guys, bye!